Hi everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Samavia. I hope you all are doing amazing. In today's video, we will learn how to talk about responsibilities and jobs in English. So let's begin. 1. How to talk about responsibilities. Hiba. So, do you still work at Zactec? Ahmed. Yes, that's right. Hiba. How do you like it? Ahmed. It's very interesting. I'm working on 3 different projects at the moment. Hiba. And what do you do? Ahmed. I'm a project manager. Hiba. Oh, I see. Budgets, schedules, and all that? Ahmed. Yes, and I also prepare weekly reports for the Vice President of Operations. 2. How to talk about your company. Ahmed. What kind of company do you work for? Hiba. I work for a software development company. Ahmed. Wow, that's great. Hiba. Yes, sometimes it's really fun. Ahmed. What does your company do? Hiba. We make software, mostly apps and games. Ahmed. What department do you work in? Hiba. I work in the IT department. Ahmed. Oh, that's great. And what do you do there? Hiba. I supervise the software team. Ahmed. Okay. 3. How to talk about a new job. Hiba. So, Ahmed, how's the new job? Ahmed. So far, so good. Hiba. What do you do there? Ahmed. I'm responsible for international projects. Hiba. Oh, so that means you're a project manager? Ahmed. Yes, that's correct. Hiba. Nice. That sounds like an exciting job. Ahmed. It is. 4. How to talk about responsibilities at home and work. Hiba. Hey, Ahmed, can I ask you a question? Ahmed. Of course. Hiba. Do you have more responsibilities at home or at work? Ahmed. I would say at work. Hiba. Why? Ahmed. Because my boss sometimes gives me unnecessary work. Hiba. Haha, I understand. Ahmed. It's very hard to manage work and home at the same time. Hiba. True. Both home and work deserve equal time. Ahmed. Yes, that's right. Okay, everyone. That's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this fun topic. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, keep practicing, and until next time, take care. Goodbye.